My name is Adam White. I'm the Head of Sales and Relationships at Positive Water. So the deregulated water market was opened in April 2017 with the intention of allowing business customers to get better customer service, better pricing and additional services. The market is open to 1.2 million businesses in the UK and is currently the largest water competitive market in the world. So we want our customers to focus on what's important to them, and that is running their business. In their business, they are the experts. In water and waste services, we are the experts, and our teams will be on hand to help all of our customers with any queries or solutions that need to be provided. We can help them with water audits, we can help them with water efficiency work, we can also help them find and fix any unknown suspected leaks that are on site. We want to help them when they need us the most. All businesses are able to take advantage of the retail water market, whether they are a farm, a charity or a large industrial customer. As long as they are a business and the main reason for their premise is not domestic, they are eligible to take part in the water retail services.